If you drive a Mercedes and you think you have already found everything it can do, you are wrong. These are 12 buried practical functions your dealer never showed you, from emergency backups to anti-theft tricks, to comfort tech that transforms every drive. We are counting them all down to the single most overlooked feature of all. At number 12, there is a secret hiding inside your key fob right now. Number 12, your Mercedes key fob hides a mechanical backup that could save you from being stranded. If your smart key battery dies, just slide or press the latch on your fob and pull out the hidden metal blade. This blade unlocks your door the old-fashioned way. No electronics needed. Once inside, either insert the blade into the ignition slot, or on newer models, hold the fob up to the start-stop button and press the brake. Your engine will fire up, even with a dead fob. It's a rescue feature built right into your pocket. Number 11, on a scorching day, you can vent your Mercedes before you even open the door. Just press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for about 1 second. All 4 windows drop, and the panoramic roof tilts open, letting trapped heat escape in seconds. This trick works on most recent C-Class, S-Class, and GLC models, and it is a lifesaver when your car has been baking in the sun. No app, no extra hardware, just your regular key fob and a simple long press. If the temperature is too cold or the child locks are on, the system will not activate, so it is safe for any situation. Number 10. Your Mercedes key fob isn't just a remote. It can be your best line of defense against high-tech car thieves. Every night, double press the lock button on your smart key. This puts the fob into sleep mode, silencing its radio signal so relay devices cannot clone it or trick your car into unlocking. You'll know it worked when the fob's LED stops flashing. Security experts call this a game changer because relay attacks can steal a car in under a minute and often leave no trace for insurance. That 2-second double press could save you thousands. Number 9. The Mercedes Me app takes convenience to another level by letting you start your engine and precondition the cabin from your phone. Before you even step outside, open the app, tap Vehicle, then Remote Start, and hit Start Engine. Instantly, your car fires up, and the climate control system begins cooling or heating to your set temperature. No more getting into a freezing or sweltering car. Some models even activate seat and steering wheel heaters automatically. The app shows a countdown timer so you know exactly how long the engine will run. Just remember, you'll need an active Mercedes Me subscription and a solid cell signal to use this feature. Number 8. Easy entry and exit turns. Getting in and out of your Mercedes into a smooth, almost automatic experience. As soon as you shut off the engine, the driver's seat glides back, and the steering wheel lifts up, giving you extra space to swing your legs out. No more awkward shuffling in tight garages or cramped parking spots. To activate it, head to Settings, tap Vehicle, and switch on Easy Entry. If your car has the memory package, you can save this to your seat memory buttons, so every driver gets their own perfect setup. It's a small tweak that makes daily driving feel like first class. Number 7. Your Mercedes hides a cup holder that does more than just hold your drink. With a single button press, you can heat up your coffee or chill your water bottle right from the center console. Look for the red light to warm and the blue light to cool. Your cup holder uses a thermoelectric Peltier element to keep every sip at the perfect temperature. Owners of the S-Class, Maybach, and high-trim E-Class models rave about this feature, saying it's a small luxury that makes a big difference on daily drives. Once you try it, even a quick commute feels a little more first class. Number 6. Mercedes gives you a hidden trick for do-it-yourself wiper maintenance that most drivers never spot. After you turn off your ignition, just tap the wiper stalk down twice within a few seconds. Instantly, your wipers jump up to a vertical stance, standing tall and clear of the glass. That is your cue to safely swap blades, clear off ice, or lift them for winter without scraping the windshield or fighting spring tension. There is no need to wrestle with awkward arms or risk chipping the edge of your glass. When you are done, hop back in and start the car, and your wipers sweep back to their normal spot automatically. It is a simple move that makes you look like a PRO in your own driveway. Number 5. Your Mercedes has a hidden air quality upgrade that most drivers never even notice. The AIR balance package does more than just push air around. It actively filters, ionizes, and scents the cabin every time you drive. Head to Settings, tap Comfort, and open the Air Balance menu. Here, you can set the system to automatically recirculate when outside pollution spikes, or dial in a gentle fragrance from a replaceable cartridge tucked in the glove box. The ionizer zaps airborne particles, making each breath cleaner for you and your passengers. If your car has option code B006, you're set. It's an invisible luxury that keeps the cabin feeling fresh, no matter what is happening outside. Number 4. Energizing comfort programs turn your Mercedes into a personal wellness lounge at the tap of a screen. Open the MBUX menu, select Comfort, and dive into Energizing. Here you will find routines like Vitality or Refresh, which sync seat massage, ambient lighting, fragrance, and even music, all tailored to boost your mood or your energy. Each program runs for about 10 minutes, transforming the cabin atmosphere while you drive or recharge at a stop. If you have massage seats and the air balance package, you will feel the difference instantly. The seats need your back, the lights shift color, and a subtle scent fills the air. It is a sensory upgrade that makes even the longest drive feel like a spa day. Coming to the top 3, your Mercedes has a mirror trick that saves your wheels every time you park. Set the side mirror switch to left or right, then shift into reverse. Instantly, that mirror tilts down, giving you a perfect view of the curb. No more guessing, no more scraped rims. When you shift back into drive, the mirror snaps to its original position, ready for the next maneuver. If you like a custom angle, just adjust the mirror while in reverse, and your Mercedes remembers it for future use. This is a precision parking aid that is built in and free to use. Just a flick of a switch and a gear change. Once you use it, parallel parking gets a whole lot less stressful. Number 2. Valet mode and secure storage turn your Mercedes into a privacy fortress when you hand over the keys. Before you pull up to a valet stand or a service bay, tap into the MBUX menu and head to Settings, then Valet mode. Set a 4-digit PIN, and instantly, your navigation history, contacts, and personal information are hidden from prying eyes. The system even limits power and caps top speed, so nobody is taking your car for a joyride. But digital privacy is only half the story. Pop the mechanical key blade from your fob and lock the glove box and trunk the traditional way. Now, even with full access to the cabin, your valuables and home address stay off limits. It is a double barrier, software and steel, protecting what matters most every time you hand over your keys. And finally, in first place, your Mercedes can turn its entire roof from crystal clear to deep shade in under a second. That's Magic Sky Control, a show-stopping glass roof powered by Research Frontiers' SPD technology. Just tap the overhead switch and watch the glass dim instantly, blocking 99% of ultraviolet rays and a huge chunk of heat. No fiddly sunshade, no waiting. Just instant comfort and privacy, even on the hottest days. You'll find this feature on select S-Class, SL, and EQ models with option code A391. It's the ultimate hidden luxury, and most owners never realize it's there. Hit subscribe for more Mercedes secrets you'll actually use. Across all 12 secrets, one thing is clear: your Mercedes hides game-changing technology in plain sight, built for you but easily missed. The real luxury is not just what is advertised, It is what you unlock when you know where to look. Hit subscribe for more insider automotive reveals.